Hello, Team Southeast. I want to take a few moments to talk about Shore C2. I know there have been questions, and I want to provide a common sight picture about what this means for us. Shore C2 is our strategic realignment, moving public works and installation maintenance from NAVFAC to CNIC. Stage 1 will officially launch across the enterprise on February 22nd. In this first stage, just over 560 billets will transfer to Commander Navy Region Southeast. This includes our facility management divisions and environmental divisions at the field offices. These teams will now report directly to their installation commanding officer through the public works officer. Additionally, a small portion of core overhead support functions will be included in this transfer. Our core mission is not changing. NAVFAC Southeast will continue our SysComm roles for all construction, engineering, and contracting. Our specialized field teams, to include ROICs, FIADs, and BOSS functions, will remain with us to ensure we stay focused on delivering expert support. The bottom line is this change leads to faster, more effective support to the fleet. For the vast majority of our team, this will feel more like an administrative shift than an operational one. Your day-to-day work isn't changing as your professional skill set is needed to keep our installations mission ready. For most, this won't change where you work geographically, though some may be asked to relocate to a different building or office space. In the coming weeks, leaders will reach out directly to everyone affected by Stage 1. Your supervisor is the best source of information, so please don't hesitate to ask them questions. NAVFAC Southeast and Region Southeast will work directly with installations to provide the right information at the right time to keep everyone informed of the process. This realignment enhances our agility and resilience, strengthening our ability to deliver support to the fleet. I am committed to clear, transparent communication, and your leadership will keep you informed of every step of the way. I have complete confidence in our Southeast team. Your professionalism and expertise are what make this transition a success. Thank you for your commitment to our mission, our Navy, and our nation.